So we got the whole Campbell family all here, gang's all here. We've got mom and dad, we got the boys. Your dad said, haven't really had jobs now. So how did that work out?
I mean, I had 2 jobs. I was working at an engineering firm, and then I was also like serving at night. But once we were able to have consistent marketing and stuff like that, we were able to get away from that stuff. And the other thing that was distracting was we were both in school still at the time, so we weren't able to actually focus on real estate.
Yeah. So what's it like now? What's different?
I mean, I create my own schedule. Like, we do what we want when we want, and basically it's just waking up whenever you want and working. As long as you're getting stuff done, that's all that matters. And you can get it done in a shorter time period, or you can get it done in a longer time period. It's just what you want to do.
You get to do it your way.
Yeah.
Now, how many people, I know there's often, the thing I hear with people is, I wish I would have started sooner. Raise your hand if that's the case. Almost unanimous. How old are you, young man?
26.
26, okay. How many people wish they would have started at 26? Oh, it's unanimous again. Amazing how that happens. Zach, as seen on TV, because you're doing the family TV commercials.
Correct.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So tell us what's changed in your life from getting into real estate.
Yeah, so they started it, and as my brother said, we were in college. I joined the military, did 2 years, had plans to, I left for deployment, was going to go back, finish up school as a veteran student, and then I was just like, man, like, I don't want somebody to tell me what to do anymore after a year on deployment. So I said, I quit everything, invested my money, and I quit it all and just went full time into real estate. And I was determined to figure it out. And with your program, I had the contract, so I was like, here's a contract, okay, we'll sign this, and just figured it out, went with the flow.
Done, and done.
Yep.
Any regrets?
No.
None. No, you don't miss being told what to do?
No, I don't miss being told what to do. I mean, we travel as a family. We were in Vegas a week ago. They're leaving for Arizona Thursday. I'll be back in Florida, I think, next month and the following month, and somewhere else. Every month we're 1 or 2 places traveling nonstop.
Good that way. Because mom and dad are in New Jersey, and both your boys are in Charleston. South Carolina, right?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So, and family time it's important, right? So,
Yeah.
Because a lot of parents worry about not seeing their kids as much in their 20s, right? The empty nest, the nest might be empty, but you go wherever you want with the nest, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's a good thing.
I'd say they're probably tired of seeing us, but not like this.
Well, but dad's setting them free and make money. That's not a bad thing. What does mom have to say about all this?
I'm very proud of my sons and my husband. I'm glad that we're doing this as a family. And we spend more time together, like Zach said, we vacation. And it's brought us to a different level. And you've helped us overcome a lot of our hurdles, which was great.
Awesome. Give me an example of a specific hurdle.
Yeah. Getting houses under contract, keeping them.
Marketing.
Yeah, the
We
marketing.
didn't know marketing, the follow-up.
Yeah.
And the biggest thing was signing a contract, because we let a couple deals go.
Yeah.
Like,
I don't know what to do.
What's a real estate transaction? I don't know. I'm 20 years old. I don't know.
It's funny how it changes, right? It's good.
And this brought us together as a group, too,
Mm-hmm.
which is good.
Awesome. I love it.
Tell us about the deals that you have closed. You mentioned that you did like 100.
Yeah, so we have a $125,000 deal. I'm working another deal that should probably be $100,000 that's going into sheriff's sale, where they're going to be evicted in like the next 2 weeks. So they're on a crunch now, and I just got a call out of nowhere from TV commercial, and they're in a crunch, didn't know they had options available, and I told them I could help them out from the sheriff before they go and the house gets auctioned off in sheriff's sale. So
that's one of the interesting things about the business is we always hear about, investors are evil and they're sharks and whatnot. Do you feel like predators, or do you feel like you've helped people out of their problems?
Not at all. We've actually helped people, because these people call and they don't realize there's somebody out there who can help them. We're providing a solution to their problem, because here's the way you got to look at it is if this person, for example, if I don't buy the property from them, they're still getting kicked out of the house.
Yeah.
So they're going to get no money.
Yep.
At least I'm giving them money.
You get to help them.
It's $200,000. Not enough. It's better than zero, right? I'm providing a
That is the
solution.
only way to look at it, and that's the mindset shift you have to have.
Mm-hmm.
But so many people they're like hesitating on it. They're more worried about, the media says I'm a bad guy.
I thought I was taking advantage of people at first, same thing, but now I realize like these people, they're so thankful and grateful. Like it's like almost a grace of God that they see the TV commercial. They're like, at last minute, they have 2 weeks.
And 2 weeks and they get it done.
And I can provide a solution for them.
You follow up with people 6 months later, a year later, just touch base. Hey, how's it going? one, that's decent marketing. Birds of a feather flock together, right?
Exactly.
So they have trouble, the friends have troubles. But also, it'll be good for all of you psychologically, because you're going to hear people so happy that they got to move on with their life properly. And guess who made that happen?
We did.
It was the four of you. And so that's going to be that's a fantastic thing.
Also, John, you mentioned that you are in New Jersey and you did deals in New Jersey, right?
Yes.
And then you also did the deals.
We have two markets, New Jersey and South Carolina, specifically Charleston County area. We do some deals outside of that area, and mostly South Jersey. But we can do this all virtually as well. So if something pops up, in another state or another market, we'll certainly do that too.
Fantastic.
The only thing I have to say is Tom's program works, and we're living proof.
Love it. Thank you all. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tom's
Like live
program
testimony.
works. If you want to learn wholesaling from A to Z, this is the place to be.
Oh.
Just flow.
Coming up with taglines for me as we go. No,
You didn't know I was a poet.
nothing wrong with that. So what's changed? I met you guys just over 2 years ago.
Yep, just over 2 years
What was it
ago.
like then? Your business.
Spinning our wheels,
Yeah.
no traction.
Yep.
We started marketing consistently, just implementing the tools that you gave us in our kits, and it's been, all nothing but up from there.
Awesome. So what's happened over 2 years? Since we just moved you up to the total traction level, $250,000 in deals, freedom, a year. What's happened on the journey?
Yeah, so we made about $500,000 in income over the last couple of years. My sons are part of the business. I don't want to say they've never really had a job, because they had jobs when they were young, but this is their career right out of the gates. And so total freedom. It allows us to travel as a family and attend these events and many other events, throughout the year. So yeah, it's been a goal of mine and my dream to be able to reach out to my kids and my wife and say, hey, let's do some things together and not have bosses or employers get in the way and need their permission to be able to do that. So we have total freedom.
Total freedom is totally awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. What, were there the technical how-to, wholesaling, marketing, movement, but was there other things that I unlocked for you? Like, was there something like hang up some roadblock that got blown out of the way that you moved through?
I think it was, one, confidence, consistency, and being persistent were the main things. And you gave us all the tools. I mean, everything is right there. There's no excuses. If you can't take those tools and make this business work, I don't know what to say, I mean,